YouTube? It's me again, Jaden. So today I made another Lego vehicle. So I made my own Lego City drill. It's like a construction vehicle. So I'll give you a tour. So it has wheels, obviously. This is just plain as a gate so nobody can get into the back. You have a wheel here. You have this motor. You got the motor right here so you can start the drill. You have a light right here. And then what else was there? There's oh yeah. I don't think you see the drill. That's the drill. And then this. Like that. It's pretty cool. I like it. Yeah, that's pretty much it. I mean, you got sirens so people know they're coming. I got this piece so I can hold it up. You got the steering wheel. Yeah, that's it pretty much. I'll show you another one. If you guys enjoyed, like, you don't have to go. I'm just saying, comment and subscribe, turn on post notifications because I'm probably gonna post later again. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you guys in the next video. Peace.